Hello. In this lecture, I will explain how to write the Hello World program. First of all, you need to create a new project. You can click the New Project link on the Start page. You can also select File on the menu bar and select New Project. Let's try clicking New Project. On the left side, choose Visual Basic, which is the language we're going to write. In the middle area, choose Console Application, which has a black icon. Then name our program My Hello World Program, like this. Choose the location or folder where the program will be saved. For me, I will save it on desktop. After that, click OK. Wait for the program to finish loading. We will find that the program automatically creates module1.vb for us. Click the area between submain and endsub and type any message we want to represent by typing console.writeLine. After the opening bracket, type the message in double quotation marks. I will type hello, world, ! This is my first program. Then to pause the screen, we will use code console.read. If we don't use this code before we run the program, this window will definitely disappear, so we have to break with this code. Let's run the program. We will find the message we typed displayed on a new window. We can also change the font by clicking the icon on the title bar on the left side. Select Properties. I chose this font in size 18. Our message is now bigger and easier to read. To exit the program, just press the Enter key. All of this is how to write the basic program called Hello World Program. In every programming language learning process, we usually start with the Hello World program. Next, example 2. I will now teach you how to declare the object type, which uses the dim command. After pressing the spacebar, name the variable. I will name it Hello As, followed by the type of data that we want to keep. In this case, string. After this, put the message that you want. I chose the old one. We can determine the variable and also assign the value. However, on this occasion, I will give some basic examples. Hello equals symbol, hello, world, ! This is my first program. Then add in and press the spacebar one time to organize the format. To declare a new variable, start with dim, type current year as integer, current year equals 2018. I will connect both messages together by using the same command, console.writeLine. Type opened bracket and the closed one will be added automatically. Then add the hello variable. This time you don't have to use double quotation marks. After this, we will connect 2018 with this sentence by adding the and symbol, current year. So now we're going to run this program to view the output. The message, hello, world, ! This is my first program in 2018, displays in the window. Turning to another symbol, we can also connect the variable with the plus symbol. Let's see what will happen when we run it. It turns out that our program doesn't work, so we press Enter. The reason is we can't use the plus symbol to connect number with string message, but we can use the and symbol. It doesn't error. What we have to do if we want to use the plus symbol, we will use command CSTR with the variable in the bracket to convert number to string. Then run the program. Okay, the program works. It doesn't have any problems. This lecture will end here. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.